Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're making the Ghibli style photo in Gemini. So in order to start you need to of course have a reference. So just grab your photo and upload with the plus icon right over here. Just upload your files. Alright, so I will just use this random photo from Unsplash by Alex Haney as a reference. And then you will need to of course use a prompt. So I will just give you this formula. Alright, so this is the prompt and the logic here. So in April of this year, Gemini uses the subject identity maintenance. So the AI won't turn you into a random character. It will turn you into a hero of the story. So instead of my photo, you can just, upload a selfie of yourself and of course then use this as a reference. Alright, so I'll just use this one then. And don't use fast model. So in order to create the best possible outcome, and the best possible result, just use a better model. So we'll just use thinking. All right, and the next, you also need to dial in the atmosphere. So just generate the image first. Okay, and after the image is generated, you can then use the 4K upscale. So you can either use Gemini itself to upscale, or you can upscale on different services by using different models like Nano Banana, for example. All right, so there you go. There's my output photo. Alright, and Nano Banana 2 supports up to 4K resolution, which is essential for catching those fine brush stroke details that make the Ghibli art feel hand-drawn rather than digital. Alright, and just like this, you can create your Ghibli-style picture. The magic is in the details. If this guide helped you find your inner anime hero today, smash that like button and subscribe.